Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Otten Company. It's Tuesday, July 25th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. So yesterday had friendly crop conditions after the close. So corn conditions down 2%, soybean conditions down 4%. Really those conditions well off last year's conditions and starting to creep below that 10-year average. Got the market's attention, found some early support here into these markets, but it was met with aggressive selling into the evening for corn and then really into the morning here for soybeans and Minneapolis wheat. Minneapolis wheat down anywhere from 20 to 35 cents, really put some pressure onto these markets, and corn closed down 8 cents, beans down 16. Corn market 13 cents off its overnight high, bean market 40 cents off its overnight high. So really struggling here with a lot of selling pressure into these markets, though crop conditions were friendly. Banking on some big rains coming to Iowa, 1 to 2 inches over the next couple days, and the market's really going to be acknowledging and watching to see what those rain totals. Does all of Iowa get the rain? Do they get the rain they need? And that's what's going to catch this market's attention for the next day or two. And if they don't get the rains, you're going to find some support. Otherwise, kind of stuck in a rut here for these markets. Meat markets had expanded limits for live cattle and feeder cattle as they closed the limit lower here yesterday. Really never even tested to expand those limits, so some slight support into these meat markets for live cattle, feeder cattle, some support here, mixed trade into lean hogs. And so you struggled and just didn't want to see a follow through of that. You're still below cash. Futures are below cash price right now for live cattle, so that could have been what offered a little bit of support. Outside markets didn't do a whole lot, maybe a little bit on the friendly side. Crude market up, Dow market up, dollar about steady to slightly weaker, so not a whole lot of action there. But really what you're going to be watching is just those rain total amounts over the next 2 days. Southern Minnesota is supposed to get some here tonight, and then tomorrow is supposed to be the big day for Iowa and maybe parts of Nebraska. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.